Good morning, class, and Miss Valentine. This is your recording for what I need to happen in class today in my absence. Miss Valentine, I greatly appreciate your assistance with helping my students to learn on today. For my pre-AP classes, as you can see this front screen, here, before you get started, please look on the projector. It is right in front of the projector in a manila folder where you will see your feedback from your rough draft. Please collect that at this time so that you're able to complete the assignment. I'm not sure if Miss Valentine is going to pass it out or if she's going to allow you to just come up and grab your rough draft. After that, you know where your course is at online on Canvas. You're going to click on the modules, but I already have it pulled up. And when you get to your modules, you're going to see that we are in week 9, October 4th through the 8th. And last week we did the pre-write and the draft. This week you're doing your final draft. When you click on your final draft, it's worth 100 points. There is a message here for you. There are directions here. Please make sure that your MLA format is in the top left-hand corner of your text box. Your name, my name, our class hour, the day, month, and a year. And then make sure that when you're typing, you've chosen Times New Roman and 12 font size. When you're finished typing your rough draft and making it a final draft, please ask your classmate to read your work so that it has the correct readability. Please make sure that you check it or make the necessary changes that your classmates suggest. Your final draft is due on Thursday, October 7th by the end of the day, 2:20 p.m. Again, Thursday, October 7th at 2:20 p.m. When I go back and hit this back button, you will see that your next assignment is the quills, prepositions and prepositional phrases. When you get over to your quill, of course, this is the teacher version, but I believe there are 7 activities for you to complete. So please work on those, and they're not due until October 11th. So the very next Monday, I will be expecting to see those completed. One a day. I mean, if you do one a day, you should be able to manage completing it before the weekend, actually, or at least before Saturday. Vocabulary.com is up. There's an extra credit goal for your points to reach 150,000 beginning October 4th, same now it's under our 9th week. And there are 2 options. You can go to vote. You can type in vocab.com/jam, which is a faster way to accumulate these points. And that number code is 227809. Or you can go to vocabulary.com and click the practice. The title of the words for this month is lottery. I believe it's our 3rd narrative that we're going to look at. And it's called lottery. So that's where you're going to find those words. If you have any questions, please make sure that you send me an email or hold them until Thursday when we meet again, or I should be there Wednesday, hopefully. It depends on how the jury duty is going to happen, or what's going to happen, rather. If you have any questions for me, again, let me put this in student view. That's why I'm scrolling, because it should look like this for you. And then when I've released it, as you can see, week 8, right underneath it is going to read week 9, and then you'll be able to complete your assignments. You guys have a great day. And again, Miss Valentine, I appreciate your help.